A special blend of jerk seasoning is prepped. It's then added to chicken, together with Scotch bonnet peppers and thyme, more jerk and mixed. The mixture is stuffed into collagen casings and then it's smoked low and slow. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm coming to you with another sausage recipe. We're going to be making a jerk chicken sausage. This is packed with incredible flavor. It's flavored using my authentic jerk sauce and it's going to be smoked on my smoker. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the Stella jerk paste blend. This is a slightly modified version of my original recipe for the sausages. I will start with 1/4 of a cup of sliced fresh ginger, followed by 1/4 of a cup of sliced fresh garlic. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of sliced spring onions and 1/4 of a cup of onion. Jerk paste gets its heat from Scotch Bonnet Peppers. I've deseeded 4 peppers and using gloves I've cut them into smaller pieces. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, a 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1/3 of a cup of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, ½ tablespoon of clove powder, 2 tablespoons of pimento or allspice berries, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 2 tablespoons of thyme. Blend it till it's a smooth paste. I have 1 pound here of ground chicken, and for texture I'm going to add an additional 300 grams of boneless chicken chunks. I cut these chicken chunks quite small because these are going to be stuffed into the sausage. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt and I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of the jerk paste. For color and additional hints of spice, I've cut up 2 extra tablespoons of Scotch bonnets and I'm going to add this in. I'm also going to throw in an additional ½ cup of thyme leaves. This could use a bit more sauce, so I will add another 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce. Mix this well. I will be using these collagen casings to stuff my sausages. These are edible casings and they're super easy to use and they also give you a consistent size. An advantage here is they don't need to be soaked. Using a sausage horn, I am going to hand stuff these. I like to tie one end with kitchen string. I find this much easier to do than twisting the collagen. When you have a size of sausage that you like, try again. I also like to cut these individually and place them on a perforated tray. To cook these, I'm going to smoke these on my barbecue, and I'm going to cook them for about 30 to 45 minutes. Flip them over in between. And when done, cool and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for jerk sausage. Yes, you can make sausage in your own home. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.